Is Mala ready for school?
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, let's shoot. Put your backpack. This picks up. This goes up there. I'm the next play with the time. Gonna play. Oh, we have a slide. I have a slide. Wow, that's very fun. Yeah. You like your school? Yeah. Excited? Yeah. Very excited? Yeah. Excited! Right? Which way are you gonna go? Jamali! Jamali! So I have names. Which one is
Yeah. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what you did today.
Played with the toys.
You played with toys and what else you did?
I just played with the kitchen and what is called?
What is called? I don't.
Slide.
And slide. Did you make any friends today?
Yeah.
What is name?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Tomorrow you ask name from your friends, okay?
Okay.
Did you have a nice day?
Yeah.
You like your school?
Yeah.
It's lots of fun, isn't it?
Yeah. And there's a house in my school.
There is a little house as well.
Yeah.
Did you play in the house?
No.
You didn't.
No.
Okay, that was nice.